Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use IndiaMART Enquiry Scraper. Simply select the current month date and click on Fetch Leads button. It will open a new browser window on your system and it will auto-redirect you on IndiaMART's login page. Simply log into your account and enter the OTP. Once the dashboard opens, move back to the tool and again click Fetch Leads button. Within a few minutes, the leads will start appearing in your panel. You can also select an older date to retrieve leads from that date. After, you can do calls, WhatsApp, and messages to your customers. Thank you for watching.